This is Thursday night. We have a nice event going on in Moab. We're here with Yoda Works, Whaling Gals. I have a really cool booth. We're going to be getting some discount codes from Yoda Works for tuning if you're interested in that. Really high quality and it's amazing stuff. So let's walk around and check out some of the stuff at this event. Man, look at that. It's all Toyota. And again, we are at CRUISE MOAB, week-long event here, overlanding. Every day we're doing some different trails. Got Toyota they owned Toyotas here at Tacoma. And if I'm saying stuff wrong, I'm a little tired. I've been on the trail all day, wheeling, so. Look at that, man. New Tacoma. Yeah. Let's walk around.
So we can operate as needed. Because it's essentially like this core powertrain is the same.
There we go, nice Land Cruiser. Cruiser Outfitters. Come up winch. Nice stuff. We were wheeling it with him yesterday. That's a kitchen. Nice.
It actually would be really nice for beer.
There's some stuff outside too, but for now we're just gonna stay inside. Devos, they've got some really nice lights and accessories. Very nice. We're back over here where we are. We'll have some other videos coming out, so check back.